Hello everyone, Roman Kornev is here and this is the first review in 2025. This is the fourth year I have been doing my weekly reviews. They are in great demand. Hundreds of people make money on my signals and pivot points, which I show directly on the chart. And right now, I will also show them on the chart so that you can make money. We will also discuss the main news of January. It is, of course, the non-farm. It was supposed to be the first week of January, but because it's the holidays, so it's moved to the second week. So next week is the non-farm news, which we're going to talk about right now. Let's open up the economic calendar. If you trade Forex, then of course you should know how to use the economic calendar. There are a lot of news in the economic calendar, but I will select the most important ones for you. Look, on Friday, January 10th, there will be a news. The change in the number of non-farm payrolls in the United States. It's a very well-known news. It's called non-farm. And the previous value, the previous change was 227,000 and the forecast is 150,000. This is bad news for the US. If the data is confirmed and is worse than predicted, it means that the dollar may fall short-term, which means, for example, the euro-dollar pair will rise 100%. So to capitalize on this, we will now look at the chart. Also, not to miss other news, because there's a lot of other news coming out during the week. Be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. You'll find a link in the description. 30 minutes before the news release, I warn everyone about important news and we make money on it together. So let's open the euro-dollar chart and see what's in store for us this week. First, we must realize that any price obeys support and resistance lines. By the way, I have a lot of videos on this topic on my channel. Be sure to watch them. Recently, there was an issue on mirror support and resistance lines. I really like to use this strategy and I recommend it to you very much. Now we can see on the chart that there was a strong move down and the price is correcting up. On the way up, of course, it meets resistance. Now the price is approaching the 103-125 price line. When it got into that zone, it had already broken away from that zone. Look, you see, there was a move down here. So the sell signal from this line is complete. But if the price goes further, there will be a mirror resistance line waiting for it. If the price reaches this line, it will be a sell reversal point from here. You can sell and capitalize on the decline. However, I just said that bad US data could cause the euro-dollar to rise. Let's look at the charts to see where it's best to sell, where it's best to buy the euro-dollar, and where it's best not to buy it. Note that if the price approaches the 1.03.430 line, when the non-farm payrolls are released, it is better not to buy, not to sell at that moment. Because technical analysis will tell us that the euro-dollar will fall, and fundamental analysis, i.e. non-farm news, will tell us that the euro is likely to grow. Therefore, it will be a divergence of signals, and it is better to refrain from trades. It is better to wait until the news comes out, there will be some strong movement, and then trade on the pullback. By the way, I showed in one of my videos how I traded in real time on the news. You can watch it on the channel. And in general, if some terms seem complicated to you, then be sure to take my basic course on trading for beginners. I provide access to it for free if you open an account through the link in the description of the broker and deposit any amount from $300. Therefore, lay a good foundation so that you do not make mistakes in terms, in concepts, to know exactly when to buy, when to sell. If the price reaches the line 1.03.430 before the release of the non-farm, that is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then from here, just from this line will be a reversal point and you can sell and make money on the decline. That's a good reversal point. Let's look at other currency pairs. The Swiss franc dollar is moving up. Last week, I think I talked about it. We are waiting for the franc near the resistance line at 0.92.171. Once the price reaches it, there will be a good reversal cloud here too. It will be possible to sell from it and make money on the decline. Pay attention to gold. If it goes further down, as it is going now, then there will be a reversal point from the support line here too. It will be possible to buy from it and make money on growth. In general, I think that gold will continue to grow. It has a potential. There is also a reversal point from the resistance line up here. It's still valid. I'm going to move the pivot point up here. Well, it is still far away from it, but in principle, if it will go up briskly, keep in mind that there is another reversal point here. You can sell from it and make money on the decline. It is quotes 27.28. Pay attention to the New Zealand dollar. It is moving in such an interesting sideways trend. After a strong downward movement, there was such a sideways trend. Then the support line was broken down a little bit, and again, it is still moving in a sideways trend. It is quite possible that this trend will continue for a long time. In this mode, it is best to run my trading robot in buy and sell mode. If you have not tried my trading robot yet, be sure to write to me at the link in the description in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free. Well, if you are already trading, try this currency pair in buy and sell mode at the same time. The same thing happens on the Australian dollar. Here, too, you can run the robot in buy-sell mode at the same time. Well, if you are trading manually, let's have a look. There are good buy signals here. Right now the price is in such a sideways position. But as soon as it comes down to the support line, it will be possible to buy and make money on the growth. There is also a local resistance line at the top. Basically, you can see that the price is approaching the upper zone. It's rebounding. The price is just going up, down, up, down, up, down. This is a paradise for scalpers. Who likes to scalp on the market buy? Sell also near the resistance line will be reversed. From it, you can sell and make money on the decline. By the way, I give such signals in my web channel. If you are interested, join me. There I publish selected signals that I trade myself. And finally, let's look at the euro-pound pair. There is a good resistance line here too. This is the reversal point. If the price reaches this resistance line, we sell from it and make money on the downside. These are the signals for this week. Be sure to subscribe to the Telegram feed so you don't miss the non-farm. Non-farm is usually a very strong move. Trading can be especially strong in January as investors, having played around during the holidays, are now accumulating liquidity and preparing for powerful moves. Regarding the reversal points that I show on the chart, I wanted to say a few words. You may think that I show them so quickly and easily, and that they are easy to identify. In fact, there are a lot of nuances, secrets, how to determine them better. And if you are interested in this style of trading, then be sure to sign up for personal mentoring with me. I conduct periodic trainings. I have a spot open for January. I can take a couple people. So if you are interested, come. I will be glad to meet intelligent people who want to earn money by trading like me. I guess that's all for now. I wish you a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye, everybody.